Very good afternoon to all of you. We are here to learn about units of memory. Units of memory is nothing, it is just measurement of memory. How many data we can store in a specific memory. They have some specific capacity, they have some specific limitations. So before starting units of memory, we will discuss about the data. Here data, it can be image, video, audio, text, or combination of it. It can be document, it can be ppt file, it can be excel, it can be combination of any of these. So this is the data. Now in another class we will briefly discuss about the data. Now come to the point. Units of memory. Units of memory here. Unit of memory is bit, byte, kb, mb, gb, tb. So like this. But if in any examination or in anywhere, if anybody asks to you, tell me about the units of memory, then you will write according to this. 0 and 1 is called 1 bit. 4 bit equals to 1 nibble or nibble. You can write this both way, nibble or nibble. Next one is 124 bit equals to 1 byte. 124 byte equals to 1 kb. 124 kb equals to 1 mb. 124 mb equals to 1 gb. 124 gb equals to 1 tb. 124 tb equals to 1 pb. 124 pb equals to 1 eb. So write the full form here. What will be the full form of bit? Bit stands for binary digit. Bit stands for binary digit. Next one is nibble. Byte, kb. kb stands for kilobyte. kb stands for kilobyte. mb stands for megabyte. GB stands for gigabyte. TB stands for terabyte. And PB stands for petabyte. And EB stands for exabyte. Exabyte. So this is the units of memory. We can write it according to this way. We can say that this is the capacity of memory. If we say that a specific SD card have a capacity of 16 GB, means they can store data up to 60 GB. So this is the capacity of again revised it. Memory is a storage device. Sometimes memory is called a storage device. Second one, data can be text, image, audio, video. Units of memory like this. 0, 1 is called bit and 4 bit equals to 1 nibble. These both are so important, this and this. So each and every person have to remember it. Next one is exabyte, petabyte. Okay. Now we come to the test of our units of memory. There is some questions related to the memory. Memory is called which device will be? Think about it. Memory is called which device? You are thinking right. Storage device. It is a storage device. There are type of memory. How many type of memory? So if you learn about memory, there will be 2 type of memory. How many type of memory? 2 type of memory. 1 nibble equals to how many bits? Guess it. 1 nibble equals to, if you are thinking about it, 1 2 3 4, what will be the answer? Answer will be, please answer it. Answer will be 4 bit. Answer will be 4 bit. 1024 bit equals to how many byte? How many byte? 1024 equals to bit equals to how many byte? Guess it. This will be 1 byte. 1 minute. This will be 1 byte. Or 1024 GB equals to what? 1024 GB equals to 1 GB equals to how many MB? So guess it. एकदम correct. Your answer will be 124. Oh, 1 minute. 124 MB. It will be 124 MB. 1 GB equals to 124 MB. Okay, thank you.